Welcome to Ride and Roar. Today, we're diving deep into an absolute legend in the dual sport world, the Honda XR650L. A bike that has stood the test of time, dominating both on and off-road terrains for over 3 decades. Whether you're an adventurer, a daily commuter, or someone looking for a machine that refuses to quit, this beast deserves your attention. The Honda XR650L made its debut in 1993, and remarkably, Honda has kept its core design nearly unchanged. And why would they? This bike embodies reliability, simplicity, and sheer performance. At its heart lies a 644cc air-cooled, single-cylinder engine, a powerplant known for its durability and torquey nature. Producing around 40 horsepower and 47 Nm of torque, it may not be the most powerful machine out there, but what it lacks in raw speed, it more than makes up for in rugged dependability. The engine is mated to a 5-speed gearbox, offering smooth and predictable power delivery, perfect for off-road trails, highway cruising, and even urban traffic. One of the standout features of the XR650L is its chassis. Honda designed it with a steel frame, keeping things simple yet robust. The bike's suspension setup is built to handle rough terrain with ease. It comes with a 43mm Showa front fork offering an impressive 11 inches of travel, while the Pro Link rear suspension also delivers 11 inches of travel, giving riders the confidence to tackle dirt roads, rocky trails, and even deep sand. The 21-inch front wheel and 18-inch rear wheel further enhance its off-road capabilities, ensuring it can roll over obstacles without breaking a sweat. Weighing around 346 pounds (157 kg) dry, the XR650L is not the lightest dual-sport bike, but it maintains a manageable balance. The 37-inch seat height might be intimidating for shorter riders, but for those who can handle it, the tall stance allows for excellent ground clearance, another reason why it excels in rough conditions. The bike's ergonomics lean towards a classic dirt bike feel, with a narrow seat and wide handlebars, offering great control in both seated and standing positions. One of the reasons riders love the XR650L is its simplicity. It uses a tried-and-true carburetor instead of a modern fuel injection system. While some might see this as outdated technology, it actually makes maintenance easier, especially in remote areas where fuel injection repairs could be a hassle. The air-cooled engine means fewer moving parts and less to worry about in terms of maintenance. And speaking of longevity, it's not uncommon to see XR650Ls with over 50,000 miles on the odometer, still running strong. Now, let's talk fuel capacity and mileage. The XR650L comes with a modest 2.8-gallon tank, which might seem small for long-distance travelers, but it delivers around 45 to 50 mpg depending on riding conditions. Many adventure riders opt for an aftermarket larger fuel tank to extend their range. It's a small upgrade that transforms this dual sport into a serious adventure machine. On the road, the XR650L performs admirably. While it's not the fastest bike out there, it cruises comfortably at highway speeds. The wind resistance can be a factor, especially on longer rides, but riders often add aftermarket windshields to improve aerodynamics. The stock gearing works well for both city and off-road riding, but if you plan on doing a lot of highway miles, a simple sprocket change can help lower RPMs at cruising speeds. Off-road, this machine truly comes alive. The combination of a lightweight chassis for its class long travel suspension and rugged tires allows it to conquer trails, mud, and even steep inclines with ease. Many off-road enthusiasts customize their XR650L with skid plates, handguards, and upgraded tires to enhance its off-road performance. Further, one area where some riders feel the XR650L could improve is its stock seat. While it's designed with off-road riding in mind, meaning it's narrow for better control, it's not the most comfortable for long highway rides. Fortunately, there are plenty of aftermarket seat options that provide more comfort for extended journeys. Braking performance is another important aspect. The XR650L is equipped with a single front and rear disc brake setup, offering decent stopping power. However, since this is an older design, some riders upgrade their brake lines to stainless steel for better responsiveness, especially when riding aggressively off-road. A major advantage of owning an XR650L is the massive aftermarket support. From performance upgrades to luggage racks and LED lighting kits, the customization potential is endless. Riders who enjoy modifying their bikes will find plenty of options to tailor their XR650L to their specific needs. So, who is the XR650L for? It's for the rider who values durability over the latest tech, the adventurer who wants a bike that can handle anything, and the enthusiast who loves to tinker and customize. It's not the most refined dual sport out there, nor is it the fastest, but its bulletproof engine, legendary reliability, and simple mechanics make it one of the most trusted bikes in the dual sport world. After more than 30 years, the Honda XR650L remains a top choice for dual sport riders worldwide. Honda's decision to keep it relatively unchanged speaks volumes about its timeless design. Whether you're a seasoned off-road rider or a beginner looking for a bike that won't let you down, the XR650L is a machine worth considering. That's it for today's deep dive into the Honda XR650L. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more detailed reviews, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Ride and Roar, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Have experience with the XR650L? Let us know in the comments below. Until next time, keep riding and keep roaring.